Welcome back, East London's finest family. I've got another vlog for you today. I'm currently stuck in traffic on my way to Luton to go to a dog meet hosted by Mystic Kennels 420. Going to meet my boy Gaza Kennels there, RG Bullies, Jet Force Kennels, just a few of the bad boy kennels out there. Yeah, I'm currently late. I'm meant to be there at 1 o'clock. It's saying on the TomTom that I'm going to get there at 3 o'clock. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Show you some bad boy dogs and that. And I've brought with me today Ghost because I'm in my personal car as the van is broke down. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you some dogs in a few moments. Peace. Okay people, we're here. Come on, we've arrived. It's looking like it's popping. Bear dog.
What's going on with the merch? Talk to me about the merch.
Yeah, shit, we got that merch in right now. So if you're interested in supporting the brand, supporting the movement, get at me, bro. You know we be here. Come on, East London's finest all the way. Good boy, come in. Come on, bring your fat ass over here. It was definitely good to see you.
Yeah, man. Next time, fucking.
What do you want?
All the meats allowed except the burger. Chicken or lamb? They're both allowed. Lamb.
He's going to be well nervous. Too many big dogs.
He was right the last week.
Yeah, after about an hour.
Yeah.
It takes him about an hour to get used to all the dogs.
Ross.
I literally come back from that meeting and I was saying to it, listen, there was this little banging. The way baby see him when he's off beat, the way he just bright lights.
He's a calm dog. He's a big dog.
Hey, Jacob.
He likes to the kid.
Look, look at me.
How's it going, bro? You alright? Yeah?
Look, look at this.
Yeah, there's too many other dogs. I don't remember that ghost. Oh, you just got it's your friend! Hey, it's your friend!
He just clocked it.
Yeah, it took him a little while.
Good boy.
He loves you.
Hey!
You're fine, man, honestly. Don't play. He likes rough stuff, man.
He was winding him up last time, wasn't he? Jason was winding him up.
This one was quiet.
Yeah.
It was better though. Gigs. What's happening? Are you good? Yes, Gigs. What's going on, my G? What's happening, boy?
It's looking fresh, you're getting worse, isn't it? Looking fresh.
Big man Gigs. We're all networking. It's a small world in this dog community. I'll be real. It's definitely a small world.
Demon, angel.
Loves the Frenchie. He's playing with his Frenchies. Arsenal.
Is it? It's a real bird.
Is that a cat?
Take down a little thing like
Alright, you ready? Yeah, I'm gonna take pictures, yeah?
I'm like, I can't get this. They're going to do a whole new one.
See big dogs? Yeah.
Listen, you wait and let the dog come to you. Sit down. Sit active.
Yeah, they're all like this. You know, it's overwhelming. There's loads of dogs here.
That's your fault.
There's loads of dogs. It's overwhelming.
Honestly, I think out of all of them, this one's my favourite. And you.
Seen in his bloody eyes 3 times a day ain't good. Long, bro. Someone told me it's because I was giving him tap water. I only give him bottle water now, and he's still happening.
Oh, sharp boy. This one's too lazy, man.
Is it? What's up, boy?
This meet's going off, bro.
How you finding it?
Yeah, it's banging over here. You got some dogs doing some training, doing some protection work. Yes, bro. Yeah, man, couple man them. My boy RG in the back there with his boy Enzo. Now the link up's going off. Luton Dog Road today. I'm not gonna lie. Hella dogs out. It's vibes over here today. Definitely, man.
How's Ghost finding it?
Yeah, he's finding it well, man. He don't like some of the big dogs, as obviously he's only small and he's a puppy, so he's getting used to socialisation. But he's doing really well, to be honest. He don't seem agitated or anything. Good boy, Ghost. Good boy. Good boy. Good son. He don't like to think you're carried over. He's a boy, isn't he?
Hey.
So if there's... Yeah, make sure next time tell him, look, you're right. Even if he brings a little tub.
That's what I was thinking. I don't know why he didn't.
Yeah, you know what he said? The first answer he said is, I'm in the field. I said, I don't care.
Yeah, you don't come, you just bring it in the tub.
I ain't
You bring it in the tub.
I don't care. Give me hot chicken with cold rice. I'll eat that all day long. I don't get old. good stuff. Chef really chefed it up. Go show the chef. Go show the chef. Chef really doing the bits over here, guys.
Sit, 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 sit. Sit, boy.
You try to just take it easy today, you know, you the smallest dog is gonna hit this.
I need to buy a new van. I need to buy a new van. You know how? I would have put him in that car, but he gets faster. That's all. So he gets faster. It's long, I just want to clean up stick all the time.
Yeah.
Seen it.
Let's go check some of the other dogs. Let's go check some of the other dogs.
Kaylin or is it Luton? Oh, Casey Allen.
Good now? Okay, good. Sit. Think. Come on, where's the camera? Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Hey! Come on, Ali.
Shit, there's so many dogs. Jeez.
Come on, hello.
It's a calm one. He's calm.
Oh, did you even go as well? I've never heard that word. That's new. He's only just like Mark the other day.
Good boy, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, that was long, thank you, bro.
Good boy, none of that.
I do a little bit when I feed her, but yeah, watch it.
30 legs? Yeah.
Cheers, thank you. You say, cuz?
Done for the day?
Yeah, he's done.
sleepy, man.
Cheers, coach.
Go home, sleep, bro.
Huh? Love. He's done for the day, bro. All he does is sleep.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try and knock out more content of this sort. Dog link ups, meeting up with other kennels, showcasing the baddest dogs in the UK. Yeah, I really enjoyed today. The weather held up. There was loads of dogs. There was good food. The chef was cooking up that jerk. Like it was banging. Do you know what I'm saying? It was a really good link up. Mystic Kennels 420 done the link up. That's her Instagram. Get at her. She's a very positive person. It was great to meet all her friends. She had a few family members there. Yeah, it was a great link up overall. It was a great experience. Pulled up with a few of my friends. RG_bullies, Jet Force Kennels, Beast Buddy Kennels. Get at all them pages. They're proper people, good breeders, good dog handlers. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to try and knock out as much content as I can because I've been asleep on this YouTube channel. But now we're going to actually put the grind in and get these videos knocked out. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Peace.